Oh, hello again. I'm still Steve with LA Photo Party, and today I'm going to be talking to you about something that's more than a little bit sexy. So why don't you kick off those shoes, lounge back, pour yourself something tropical, because today you and I are going to be talking about organization. Folders, subcategories, easily accessible databases of information. I know. I had you with folders. That's why at LA Photo Party, we've developed folders for multiple green screens for photo booth upload, or PBU. Because sometimes you've got an event so hip that not just one green screen image will do for your photos. You'll need dozens and dozens of them. And rather than have your guests search through a haphazard list like some square, you can have your backgrounds in an easy to navigate folder. That's why it's simple to have your guests find the perfect background, all through the sweet, sweet power of organization. Now, if that's not sexy, I don't know what is. Cheers to a great event.